Hello there, you wonderful person. I am Garrus Mason. It is Thursday, June 12th, 2025. It is Valentine's Day here in Brazil, and I'm excited about that. Just sent an audio to my girl. My goodness, I miss her. And yeah, I think she's gonna be happy tonight. Because of the news. Ooh, should I say stuff here? Because I don't know if she's been watching these. Because that would kind of ruin the fun. Alright, I'll talk about it tomorrow on tomorrow's show. Alright, let's backtrack. Last time, whoa, look at how fast the clouds are moving. Can you see? Super fast. Last time, yesterday, it was when I was going back home. Yeah. So I got home. I'm still very nasally, but I'm feeling great today. That's this nasal, just clogged stuff here. That's the only thing I'm feeling. Yeah. Yesterday I worked on the Valentine's Day stuff, and I spent a good amount of time. Then when I was done, I didn't have any time to play anything, so I just ate, watched the videos for some time, and then I just went to bed. I was already in bed because my TV is in my bedroom still. But yeah, watched a few videos and then fell asleep. This morning I had a pretty good class. This morning the class, yeah, it was great. It was a grade A class, if I do say so myself. I taught a really good class, and the class was really good as well, like the slides, because the way it works is during vacation time, it's vacation time for students, we work, us teachers, we work internally we take trainings, we improve things that need to be improved, and we make things that need to be made. And I was tasked to create all the classes of this unit 5 for the kids 3. So I was the one that created that class, and that's why it was so good. But I remember creating those classes. That's when I started to use ChatGPT for work, and I remember it gave me some really good ideas. Anyways, you can probably hear the wind. It's cold. Wait. It's the coldest day. Right now it's 14 degrees. But because of the wind, it feels much colder. Yeah, so this morning, great class. Afterwards, I went to the shopping mall to get to do something, which I will disclose. Oi, tudo bem? I'll disclose it tomorrow. And then I just went back home, ate some lunch, and just watch some videos, and I'm going to work now. plans. We have writings to do, and I have 3 classes this afternoon. 2 of them are writing tests. That means that it's the most important writing of the semester. It's the one I'm grading them and taking the grade and putting them on a test. And the other one is a more fun class. Because this one group already took their writing test, the TOEFL writing. So, yeah, today's class is gonna be more fun, more relaxed. We're gonna play Gartic Phone, which is a lot of fun. Gartic Phone is you create a room, and then everybody in that room needs to everybody in that room needs to create a sentence, write a sentence that is drawable, and then after that round, this sentence is going to be sent to another member of the group so they can draw. They have some time, we're going to have some time to draw, and then after that, this drawing goes to another random person. And then that random person needs to write what they think the drawing is. And then that goes on and on. I know that one student is not coming today. Hopefully the others are, because then it's going to be more fun. Yeah. And then the class itself is a more conversational class. And then tonight, I'm gonna go to my girl's house. It's Valentine's Day after all. Oh, I just miss her so much. I got the honey brew mead on my backpack. And with this cold weather, we're just gonna we're gonna order something, some good food, whatever she wants. And probably gonna watch something like a movie or Game of Thrones or whatever she wants to watch. I just want to spend time with her, man. Yeah. Been way too long since it's Monday. We haven't seen each other. Yeah, that's it. So I have something on my mind. Cold, dry weather like this. It's exactly when you see people with their lips all screwed up, right? Then you're supposed to wear lip balm and stuff. Now, I don't know if you can notice or not, but my lips, they don't look that good. They don't look good at all. But you know what? They're not hurt. They are not hurt. They don't hurt. They're not chapped. Chapped? Is that what you're called? It's fine. Yeah, you don't need lip balm. I remember I saw something once somewhere that using lip balm just makes your lip more dependent on it, and you just gotta you gotta keep using it in order for it not to be destroyed by the weather. Which, you know, it's the same thing as shampoo, right? But that one I tried. I tried not using shampoo for a while. That was back when I was single, and I think it was vacation time. So I wasn't really interacting with too many people. Yeah, I tried it, terrible. my hair smelled terrible, and yeah, that was not for me. But the lip balm thing works. The trick is you have to allow it to dry. The thing, look, you want to keep your lips hydrated, so you know, lick your lips so they're nice and hydrated, but that's wrong. That's not a good idea when you're in cold, dry weather, because it just makes it worse. That's my own experience. Yeah. And that's what was on my mind for today. I'm gonna go there, teach some classes, apply some writing tests, and all that. And I'll be back tomorrow to tell you how my day with my girlfriend went, and whatever else happened. Oh yeah, tomorrow is Friday. Tomorrow's gonna be a full day. I'm guessing that tomorrow I'm gonna end up recording a video either at work during the evening or walking on the street. Evening, definitely during the evening. I got so many things to do, man. So many things. Being on sick leave for 2 Fridays straight is terrible for business. It's terrible for keeping up with your responsibilities. So, gotta work double time tomorrow. That's fine. That's fine. Got no problem with that. So that's all for today. Thanks everybody for watching. I have been Garrus Mason, and I'll see you the next time I see you. Bye-bye.